Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal. You know that market has been under pressure and volatile since past few days or weeks. So I did this analysis to understand the stock market behavior or trend just before and after the previous two elections. So we can use those data to correlate the current market behavior before the next elections. Now let's get started. I did this analysis for all three major indices, that is S&P, NASDAQ and Dow Jones. Let's start with S&P. I have two tabs. One is 2016, the other one is 2020. 2016 captures S&P stock price movement around 2016 elections, that is 3 months prior to the elections and 3 months after the elections. The election happened on November 8, 2016, so I captured the data from August 8, 2016 through February 8, 2017, and then I calculated the cumulative percentage change on a daily basis, and then I plotted this daily chart. So you can notice that 3 months prior to the elections until the elections, no clear trend. See that market has been volatile, but just after the elections, S&P started going up, and after 3 months, S&P is about 5% up from August 8, 2016. So in just 6 months, S&P is up about 5%. And if you take a look 2020, so prior to the elections, the election happened on November 3rd. So 3 months prior to the election, you see that lots of volatility, no clear trend, right? But after the elections, you see that S&P started going up, and 3 months after elections, S&P is about 17% from August 3rd, 2020. So both of this data suggest that historically speaking, market has been under pressure before elections, but after elections, more stability in the market. Now let's take a look at NASDAQ for the same date range. Now I plotted daily cumulative percentage change for NASDAQ for these two prior elections, 2016 and 2020. The same date range that you saw in case of S&P, I used in NASDAQ as well, just to be consistent. So you see that in 2016, 3 months prior to the elections, lots of volatility, no clear trend. But after elections, you see that NASDAQ started going up. It's about 9% from August 8, 2016 through February 8, 2017. And if you take a look 2020, you see the same behavior. So 3 months prior to the elections, until the elections, see ups and downs, lots of volatility. But after elections, the clear trend, more stability, about 25% up from August 3rd, 2020. Now let's take a look Dow Jones. For Dow Jones, I also use the same date range, and I did this analysis for prior to elections. For 2016, you see that market has been under pressure before elections. Elections happened on November 8th, 2016. So lots of volatility. But after elections, you see market has gone up. It's about 8.5 or 9% from August 8, 2016 through February 8, 2017. And if you take a look 2020, the cumulative percentage change for Dow Jones 3 months prior to the elections, lots of volatility, ups and down, no stability. You see that, right? But after elections, you see the clear trend. There has been some small ups and down, but overall the trend is up, right? And it's about 16% from August 3rd, 2020 through February 3rd, 2021. So all of these 6 data, 2 from S&P, 2 from NASDAQ, and 2 from Dow Jones, suggest that market has been under pressure before elections and market got more stability after the elections. And this also suggests that there is a high correlation between these data because all of these 6 data is pretty consistent. So we can use these historical data point to project or to make an assessment for the market behavior before the coming elections. So before the coming election, we started seeing some volatility that we saw in 2020 and 2016, regardless of who won the election. In 2016, it's Republican who won the election, and 2020 is Democrat, right? So regardless of who won the elections, market has shown the similar behavior. So I did this analysis yesterday. I wanted to share this data with you guys because I think that this data may be useful for you guys as well. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more tomorrow. Take care.